All right. So I was not going to review any of these today, but I'm really excited about the texture of these and I want to play with them. So I'm going to go ahead and do the review. So this one is, I think, pumpkin and buttercream scented. It smells amazing. And look at this. The texture is just all right. Yep, amazing. So pumpkin chips. Smells good, it feels good, and even if it was only this and I didn't even have all this stuff over here to add in, I would still be perfectly happy with it because look at that. All right. So I did not add any activator to it because it's gonna hold all those, so I'm gonna like see how it is without it. So you see how you see it sticking to my hand? That can be avoided, but I don't want to avoid it right now. We're gonna try it out like this. I kind of like sticky slime. Wow, look at the colors of those blocks in there. Okay. All right, so yeah, the base is obviously super amazing. I think this is what they call chewy, how it kind of bounces back like that, maybe. Oh, I've got my camera situated differently, huh? All right, so let's throw this back in here. Now that we have played with the base alone, we are going to make this into a super crunchy slime because we like crunchy slimes. Oh my gosh, I keep holding it out of the... I do have to be careful to not touch the label with the slime because it's the kind that it sticks to, but that's okay. 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 Let's see if I can move this down a little. That might be better. Okay. So let's see. Should we put this on first or that? That's a good question. You know what? I know how we'll do it. We'll set this over there open. Oh, I broke the bag. Awesome. It's okay. Handy dandy scissors in the scissor drawer. Now, that'll be super easy to get to in a minute. And we are going to make a mess, I bet. I am going to make a mess. Do you see how many more I have? Oh my gosh. That is so satisfying. Oh, let's be careful not to get it on the label. I'm gonna get it on the label. Okay. Maybe eventually I'll learn how to stop talking for these, but maybe not. Look at that. Wow, okay, I love this slime. All right, let's add the last little bit in there. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. All right, little buddies, come on, time to stay with your friends. Okay. All right, where's your, oh. All right. Wait, no, let's make that pretty first. Oop. So they actually stay in really well once I get them in there. Got our little pumpkin. So cute. Oh, look at those sparkles. I'm gonna end up with sparkles everywhere. I already know it. It's okay though. Oh, I love bags of glitter. Look at how magical that is. Oh my goodness, look at that. Let's pick up all that glitter we dropped. All right, there we go. All right, now I'm gonna spray my hands. I got this ready. Oh yeah, that's nice. That, oh, that is an amazing texture. I really love the little square blocks. Look at the little charm. I usually take the charms out, but I don't know. I kind of like leaving that in there. You can still see the sparkles in it too. And the little blocks are pokey, but not bad at all. Like, it feels good on my hands. My hands are not sensitive though, so. Look at that. Yeah, this is amazing. I'm so glad I didn't wait. All right, so I think I'm going to go ahead and do the next one, which is poison apple now, so I'll give it its own video though. Wow, that's the sign of a really good slime though if you don't want to put it down. I will be playing with this one a lot. Like, a lot. Like, this rivals all the big shops. This is amazing. I'm gonna reach out, tell them how amazing it is. There we go. I think I will still need an overflow container. yeah. So just grab one of these bad boys over here. Perfect. And this is from strawbb Slime Shop. And actually, I just saw this one is in stock, I think. I'm pretty sure that's what I just saw. You should go get one. It's amazing. It smells good, feels good. It really is awesome. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.